way. And also I have seen some basic examples and some of the precedents about the operation on regular expressions. So in this video we'll see some of the examples. How do you write a regular expression for the particular string? Okay, let's see that first example is there is a 0 or 1. How do you write a regular expressions? In this, the string is either 0 or 1. So R is nothing but your NFA will accept either 0 or 1. How do you write? So 0 or 1. Here the pipe is indicating or indication either 0 or 1. So dear student, this symbol it may be same as plus or union symbol. So in exam they may give pipe or plus or union. This indicate so either accept any one of the symbols. So there are all three symbols remain same. Let us go to the second example. So in this second example there are three strings are there. Either accept 0 or 1 1 or 111. What is the string of this? 0 1 1 111. What is the RE of this? So RE is so similar to the previous example, either accept 0 1 1 or 111. Let us move to the second one. Third example, string having 0 or more A. String having 0 or more A. I think, dear student, you can recollect the example of introduction of this pre-video. So that means there have used some example or definition of this in other format. Okay, recall it and tell me what is the string you can generate from this statement. String having 0 or more A. Already I told you people, so 0 is representing with respect to finite automata, that is epsilon. Then we have 1A, we have 2A, we have 3A or 4A and so on. That means the string is infinite. Then how do you write a RE? So there is a symbol is using RE is a star. Let us move to the fourth one. String having 1 or more A. So that means in this statement, so string should always at least 1 A or more A. So what is the string in this? A, triple A or 4A. Then what is a RE? RE is A plus. So dear student, I started with a simple example and without operator. Then I moved to the little more complicated problems. Please try to understand the concept, then it is easy for you to write a regular expression for the bigger problems. Third example is regular expression over sigma is equal to ABC that represent all string of length 3. So that means all string that represent all strings of length 3. So whatever the combination he has taken from sigma, so that length should be 3. Though any combination ABC, then is a one string, that's length is 3, or BCA, that length is 3, CAB, that length is 3, any combination. Let us see the what is the string in this. Look at the string generated from that alphabets. ABC, as I said, BCA, BBA, CAB, then ABA. All of them have a similar length, that is 3. So what does it mean? Its length should always be 3. So then you have to fix it how is the length. Look at this. So we don't know what is the symbol is getting from the first length. If I take this, so there is a anyone in this A has come, second B will come this, and C will come this. So valid. Suppose if I take this example, look at that, A will be remain same, B will be remain same, then here it is A will come. Suppose if I take B, look at this, in this B will come, in this B will come, B will come. So then what is the total RE of this? RE is B, C, A bar, B bar, C, followed by A bar, B bar, C, followed by A bar, B bar, C. Why I am taking these three are in a different direction? Because in the first length, always length is 3. So this gives any combination, its length is 3. So I hope we understand this problem. Let us move to the next problem. Okay. Then all binary string. What does it mean, all binary string? Binary string is 0 or 1. So let us see the string. 0 or 1 or 1 1 1 0, any combination it may come. Then if you understand the 1 to 4, then you can able to write this expression R is at least 1 0 should be there for representing a binary, or 1 should be there, either 0 or 1 plus. So plus indicate what? The plus, at least one digit should be there to indicate the binary string. So now let us move to this next problem. Okay, so see seventh one. So 0 or more occurrence of either A or B or both. How do you write that? So there is a 0 or more occurrence of either A or B or both. Then how do you write that? So string will be epsilon A, AB, AB, any combination. Then it accepts either A or B or both. So what does it mean? Here it is 0 times. Look at this. Okay, this is the expression. Next, one or more occurrence of either A or B or both, which is what is the regular expressions? The string is A, then what is A? What is the RE? Either E or B, then you have to put plus. Okay, so understand this. So then you have to move to the next problem. What is the next problem? Binary number ends with 0. Let us see it. So what is the binary number? Always whatever the number, it means start with, but it should be end with 0. So how do you write this string? So always 0 is be there, and before there is, I will fix 0 is here. Before to this, what should be there? Either 0 or 1. Okay, right, 0 or 1. star. Right? Look at this. So before to that anything it can come, but always end with a 0. I have to fix it that 0. Right? I think hope you understand this. The binary number ends with 1, which is similar to the previous one. So then what is the minimum string here? 1, 1, 0, 1. So always end. So which is similar to the 1. In place of 0, you have to place 1. Right? So let us move to the next one. Binary number starts and ends with 1. So it is start. What is that string as given? 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So now you tell me it is always start and end with 1. In between anything it can come. So 0 or 1 star. Okay, look at this. Right? Look at this. So it is middle. So always you have to fix the starting end, start with 1 and end with 1. In between anything it can come. It may or may not become 0 or 1, 0 time or more occurrence of 0 or a. Okay. So I think you are following my class. So we'll see some more example. String starts and ends with same character. String starts and ends with same character. Suppose it is start with a and end with a. Suppose if we start with 0, it should be end with 0. Suppose start with 1, end with 1. Suppose it start with b, end with b. So these are the combination as per your alphabets. If they are string start and end with the same character over the alphabet a comma b, then it is start with a, should be end with a. Start with b, end with b. So how do you write? So suppose it is a start with a, it should be end with a. What is in between? Either a or b star. Or if it is a start with b, I'll clear it and write. Look at this string. I've taken both the cases over the alphabet, right? Then look at this. So I have written it is start with 1 and end with 1. In between anything it can come. If it is start with 0 and end with 0, it can be anything between that. So this also same, right? Next. Right? Next it is all string of A and B starting with A. All string of A or B starting with B. So here it is always start with A and after that anything it can come. So A or B star. Look at the string as here. Always start with A and anything it can come after that. Look at that. It is same as this. What is the next string? String of 0 or 1 ends with 0 0. So then string of 0 or 1 ends with 0 0. So now string of 0 and 1 ends with 0 0. So that means you always end with 0. Look at that. 0 0 1 0 0 double 0 should always be end with. So double 0 you have to fix it at the end. Before to that anything it can come. So easy. String ends with 1 1. String ends with ABB. This is similar to the previous one. You have to fix it ABB at the end. Then before to that anything it can come. So string is ABB, BABB, AB, ABB. Look at this. And 16th one, string starts with 1 and ends with 0. So that means you have to fix these two digits, 1 as first and end at the end with 0. In between anything it can come. That means 1 followed by 0 or 1 star followed 0. Look at the string and this start and end with remain same, right? So RE will be like this. So look at the 17th one, all binary string with at least 3 characters and third character should be 0. So now, so there is a 3 position will be there, 3 position, right? So what should be there in the third position? That third position always be 0. This should be always fixed. So all binary string with at least 3 characters and third character should be third character should be 0. Look at this 3 digit third character, it is from beginning third character will be 0. Before to that anything it come in this position, anything it come second position 1 2 3. So this position anything it can come, right? Look at the string. So look at the RE followed. Now look at this, I'll fix it third character, I'll fix it, right? He say at least 3 characters, at least 3 characters. So third position I fix it, okay? And these two are anything it can come, at least 3 characters should be there, followed by it may or may not be. So first 3 should be fixed. The fourth one it may or may not be, that is star. Third character 0, it is anything at this also anything. For this is a star because it may or may not be, because at least 3 already reached. Okay. Look at the 18th one. 18th one, language which consisting of exactly 2 b's over the alphabet. Exactly 2 b's. So he has not mentioned these 2 b's are at the beginning or at the middle or at the end. So anywhere it may be, exactly 2 b's there in that string. So look at that B B B A B A B B A B B A. Right? You have to fix it 2 b's. You have to fix it 2 b's. Before to that, I will fix this B and fix it this. Before to that, any A comes, may any A or may 0 number of A's or more A's. So A's or B's or A's or B's. Look at this. This is very easy, right?